In a time when all of humanity spoke a single language, a bold ambition sparked a monumental project, the Tower of Babel. Picture the bustling city, bricks stacked high, the sun glinting off the workers' sweat as they united under one goal: to build a tower that reached the heavens. Their intention? To make a name for themselves and avoid being scattered across the earth. But their ambition was about to face divine intervention. As they toiled, God observed their efforts and said, "If as one people speaking the same language they have begun to do this, then nothing they plan to do will be impossible for them." With a powerful move, God confused their language, causing chaos among the workers. Suddenly, they could no longer understand one another. The Grand Tower was abandoned, and the people scattered across the globe, forming diverse nations. This story is a poignant reminder of the fine line between unity and division. Ambition can ignite incredible achievements, but unchecked, it can lead to unforeseen consequences. What lessons do you think this ancient tale holds for us today? Share your thoughts in the comments below.